Ask me. Felix, ask me. When I asked my minister Felix Mhona, how many bins do we have? Bins do we have? He doesn't even know. So I have asked our minister not only to count the bins of the railway, but to have them straightened. Mozambique is left with 4 bends. So I have said to Mhona, by the end of the year, I don't think he has even begun. We don't want any bends in Zimbabwe. We should do better. But unfortunately, our own minister did not know how many areas of our railway line from Mutare to Bulawayo or from Chikwalakwala also to Bulawayo do we have on our, he does not know. So again, you can see how primitive we are. And now, my minister now is attending to that, so that you see, we remove, we have now enough technology to make sure the railway line must be straight, or to the best of possibilities, it must be straight, except where it may be too expensive to make it straight. And on the Mozambican side, and on our side, our railway line has not been transporting passengers between Harare and Bulawayo to Beira for 26 years. The Mozambican side has now been repaired and they're able to move passengers now. Actually, we moved these passengers on the Mozambican side from Manica province, Manica city, to Mutare in a passenger train. I don't know on our side. Do we still have a passenger train? Deny. Can you go to Bulawayo by a passenger train? Why?